usually basic cabinetry. So you hit that 3 feet, and when you're using a block, if you hit three, you can actually see. See, we got some. We're
Mm-hmm.
building the kitchen, y'all. Right? And then if you have a refrigerator, you would leave that spot out, and then you would add more cabinets. Now, what if you have upper cabinets? You have another block. Those are usually 2 feet deep in depth, I should say. So now we go to 2 feet. Okay, we got the cabinets here. Now what we have to do is we have to take this block 2, and we have to tell the program that these are not on the ground. So distance from the floor, let's say, I don't know, 5 feet, I guess. And that they're
Yeah,
above.
4 feet to put it. Yeah,
Okay, we'll do 4. See?
yeah.
Look, now we
There
got
you
upper
go.
cabinets.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Now we got upper cabinets. And this is important. You would look really good to an insurance company if you put that block up there, right? And then, hold on, let me go to 1. And you do those properties and you take away the area behind it and underneath it. Okay, because if they not going to paint right there, why are we paying for paint right there? Right? So you
Yep.
take out that behind. For block 1, I'm gonna take out the floor because I'm not replacing the floor underneath the cabinets. Why would I pay
Yep.
for floors underneath there? Right? So remove
Right.
floor behind. No, I want underneath. I want below. This is below. So I'm gonna put yes. Okay. So that's one way to use the block tool. Now some people draw toilets. I don't know how to draw toilets. I haven't drawn toilets in the shower, but yeah, there's one contractor, he knows how to draw toilets. I haven't mastered the toilet game yet. With Xactimate. He puts the tank in there and the circle, and I guess what's the bottom part of the toilet called? I don't
The
know.
drain. The
The base, what we sit on.
Oh yeah, the base of the tub. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, he'll put the tubs in there and all of that too. So this is an example of the cabinets. Now, to get to this kitchen, you might have a missing wall or an entryway to be able to get from the kitchen to another room. So now you can see there's an entryway right there. And if you wanted to put a window, because kitchens, you got to put where you going to put the pie if you don't have a window. Right? So then you put this window. Now that's the basic window. If you're really good, you learn what the difference in windows are. Right? Because then you could put your double hung window. And if you click on this window drop down, you got the standard, you got a bay window, okay, the box window, picturesque. And then if you need to if you have a floor to ceiling window, you can also put that in there for your height. So this height of this window might be 6 feet. Okay, they're saying it's invalid because my ceiling height is only 8. So let's say let me drop down where the base starts. So if I say the base starts at 1 foot and then this window is 6 feet, it'll allow me to do that. And so now that window, see how it improved? Okay, now I'm not getting a lot of comments here, which I always never like because then I don't know if I'm helping people or not. So we've been going for about 40 minutes. Did everybody learn something about Xactimate and how to get jobs from Xactimate? So I'll see if people have any questions. Like I said, if you want the job roster, okay, we got one yes. We got one yes. All right, good. We helped one person. Now, who is going to try to get a job as an Xactimate writer? That's a good question to say. Say, I'm going to try. Say, I'm going to try. I do recommend it. I mean, you saw how much it was paying. What do you have to lose? What do you really have to lose?
We've all done jobs that we probably didn't like. In hindsight, when you look back, you say, "Man, I learned something." from that job. So if you're gonna work, do a job like this, like, hey, it's gonna pay me, 60 to 90 grand a year. In the worst case scenario is you're gonna learn a program that you can take with you for a long time.
Right, exactly right. That's so
And
true. And even if your company uses Symbility, no, it's
mhm,
knowing the basics is going to still do you really well. But I would
right.
say, I mean, I don't have hard fact statistics on this, but I would say 80 to 90% of adjusters use Xactimate.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
would
have
agree
hard
with that
facts.
too.
Yeah, I don't have the hard facts, but it's definitely up there, the number of companies that prefer Xactimate over any other estimating software. Okay, so we thank you, Casey. Thanks you. I thank you all. Actually, everybody say thanks to Casey in the comments. Just post them there below. For taking his time out tonight. Again, he is a licensed Texas adjuster. And one of the things that's really unique about him is that he's been a desk adjuster. He's worked contents. I met him as a field adjuster. He's working with contractors. He's working the whole Gulf Coast. And what else? What else? Let me think. I mean, that's a
Uh,
lot right there, though. I mean, that's
I didn't
that's
want
a
to stop you.
I
I
mean,
appreciate it.
right. That's a super lot right there. So he gets on roofs. Again, he can do content. So if you guys need help, he would definitely be somebody that if you want more to see more of him and get more help from him, let us know in the comments. That's the only way we'll be able to know if this was helpful. Plus, he's been through what you've gone through of I don't know how to get the licenses. I never even heard of a claims adjuster to begin with. The trial and error of going through the rosters. He already told you, gave you tips on that, and so he can direct you on help with that and skills. And if you bring some work to him, I'm sure that he would be willing to help, and both of you can profit from that. So that's I'm just one person, so I wanted to bring somebody else out who can actually help you guys more than I'm able to help. And he's a great Xactimate writer. So I think that's fantastic. So we won't hold him up anymore. I thank everybody for your time tonight. Don't forget to look in the comments for that job roster, okay? Or the description for the job roster. All right. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.